you want to learn Ojibwe language and culture, you've come to the right place. Need you to learn about it all. Welcome to BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. We have Michael Lyons. Ikadom BOOZHOO, Niji. Hello, everyone. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Let's just make it piano, huh?
Yeah, why not?
Madwewechigan. Piano. And, I always tell people, oh, no, I don't really play piano. But I do play a little piano. I never took lessons. I just goof around.
Hey, everybody! If you'd like to support the show, just click the link and you can leave us a tip on PayPal or sign up and become a Patreon subscriber. And just want to say thank you so much. Miigwech. And thank you for watching. Miigwech Ganawabieg. BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe